So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Here's this big old box here. This is the light fixture for my office. I ordered it from, I think it's Light Fixture USA was the website. So let's open it up. Fingers crossed that it's exactly what I want. Let's see. Now this is the second light fixture that I done got for this office because the first one came and it was damaged. Well, I wouldn't say it was damaged. It looked like somebody else had it and they installed it and they didn't like it, so they sent it back and then they sent it to me. Like, why would you do that? So I sent it right on back to them. I sent them an email and told them that it was like a lot of scratches and stuff on it, and I just didn't like it. So I sent that back, and they offered to just, give me a credit and allow me to order another light fixture. But I was like, no, because I don't trust y'all at this point. So yeah. Um. Now this light fixture did not look super huge, so I'm hoping they just did it like this to protect it, and it's not actually this big. Oh wow. Okay. Let me slowly remove this. Oh. So these are all the light bulbs, or yeah. I don't know where the base is. This the base? Yes. Okay. So this is the base. And all of these hook into the base. Okay. It is a little bit quite bigger than what I thought it was gonna be, but I think it's gonna work. I mean, it's really hard for me to tell without me putting it all together. Um, yep, this is the base. So you see, this is the base. Um, wow, yeah, it has a lot more than what I thought. Yeah, it's about 13. So, but it looks good. It looks brand new. Um, Definitely a little bigger than what I thought it was gonna be, but I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna look good. The thing about this one is it's adjustable, so I'll be able to adjust the height of it. So that was the like number one reason of why I chose it. I'm gonna insert a picture for y'all right here so y'all can see that this is what it looks like on the website. And yeah, so it's like a maybe gonna be like a cluster of lights. Um, yeah, I'm super excited. I think it's gonna look good. Wasn't expect this many pieces, but that's okay. I have to figure out if I'm supposed to buy the light bulbs or do the light bulbs come in it, because I don't. I just see. Oh Lord, I just see the glass pieces. So I have to buy them myself. It says bulbs not included. So I will have to go out and get the bulbs and put this thing together. Okay, so stay tuned for that video because we will be putting this together so we can get the full picture.
God knows that I've been hurt, I've been broken.